Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a perfect night scene color grading in CapCut. So in here, you can just add the night footage that you want to edit. And first, you can go to filter, click on the night scene category, and then add the orange blue into around 80. Now go to adjust and you can follow the settings. So for the brightness, increase it to 11, contrast 17, saturation lower it to -10, brilliance -50, and then here go to grabs. You can adjust the grabs to your footage itself. I'm going to go with like this, and you can also adjust the red color in here, also the green, and the blue one. So you can, it depends on your clip also. Now go back and click on highlights, lower it to -50. Click on the check icon and click on a filter again, and lastly add the Cold Ivory filter. Okay, I'm going to go with around 85. Click on the check icon, and that's it. If you find this coloring is not right for your footage, you can adjust it on the grabs that I show you before. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.